Making donations to a charity or organisation? Here's what you need to know. A donation tax credit allows you to claim back tax credits for donations made to approved charities or organisations. When you make a donation of $5 or more, you're entitled to claim back 33.33 cents for every dollar you donate. The easiest way to claim your donation is online in MyIR. It only takes a few minutes to complete. If you don't have a MyIR account, you can register on our website. You can submit your claim anytime during the year, and we'll let you know if it's approved or not. Any payments will be made after 31 March. To submit your claim, you'll need a receipt. This must have the following: letterhead or an official stamp of the approved charity or organisation, your name, or your spouse or partner's name. Clearly state that it's for a donation. Amount and date of the donation, including the year. Signature of the authorised person. The organisation's IRD number or registration number with Charity Services if you have it. You can find out more at ird.govt.nz/donations.